Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of Realme 5S smartphone. This is the latest and upcoming budget smartphone by Realme. Okay, and you can see in top it comes with 48 MP quad camera powerhouse with 5000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 665. Okay, so now quickly open the box. Okay, so here you can see in top we get the small box. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Realme. Okay, let's see what we get inside it. Okay, inside it we get some reading manuals. Keep this aside, and this is the transparent TPU case. Here you can see transparent TPU case. The transparent back cover, I would like to say the quality is really premium. It's of good quality, I would like to say. Keep this aside, and here's the phone itself. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So okay, so this is the micro USB cable, and this is the charger. And if we talk about its output rating, here you can see it supports 5 volt 2 ampere. Okay, so it is not a fast charger, but it supports 10 watt charging. And here we get this is a SIM ejector tool, I would like to say. Here you can see this is the SIM ejector tool. Okay, now keep all this thing aside and come to the phone. So here you can see the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself. You can see it looking great. You can see it looks great. If we talk about its build quality, it looks great. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing, and on this side we get the power on off button, and in bottom we get the main speaker, micro USB port, dual main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the volume up and down key and SIM tray. Quickly check this. Okay, so it supports dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot up to 256 GB, which is really good thing. Okay, and in back it has a quad rear camera, guys. 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel, and flash. And here is rear mounted fingerprint sensor over here. And in front it has 13 megapixel front camera. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 665 11nm octa-core processor. It comes with a 6.5-inch HD plus IPS LCD display. It has 64, 4 and 128 4 GB internal storage variants available. It has dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot up to 256 GB. It has quad rear camera, 48 megapixel f1.8, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 13 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with support 10 watt charging. And if you talk about the software, it has Android Pie, which is running on ColorOS 6. And for security, it has fingerprint sensor and face unlock for better security. Okay, so I have set up the device. You can see the UI of Realme 5S. Okay, if we slide from top, here we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings are also available, and brightness setting is also available over here. There you can see. Okay, and if we slide there, we get the smart assistant. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. You can see slide from bottom for app drawer. Okay, so now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. Okay, so out of 64 GB we get 51.2 GB available. Okay, many features available: app management, app cloner, game space, split screen. Okay, now quickly go to about phone and check its software information, and here you can see device name, model, and the ColorOS version is version 6.0.1. And if we talk about the Android version, it is running on Android version 9 Android Pie. RAM is also shown here 4 GB, and if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of October 5, 2019. Okay, now quickly go back and check its camera performance. It comes with the camera powerhouse, I would like to say. Okay, so if we talk about the camera UI in top, if we tap here, we get the photo ratio 4:3, 1:1, full screen, timer, touch to take photos, volume button, fingerprint shooting, grid, shutter sound, location, flip selfie, AI scene recognition, and watermark. And here's the filter available, you can see. Okay, and this is the chroma boost. Okay, and this is the ultra wide camera. It is of 8 megapixel. Here you can see this is the ultra wide camera. Okay, and this is the HDR mode. Tap it to change its settings, and this is flash. Same for this, tap it to change its settings. And if we slide from right, we get the portrait mode, and if we slide from left, we get the video option. And here, okay, this is the really good thing, it supports 4K video recording, guys. This is really good thing, it supports 4K video recording. And if we talk about the video encoding, it supports efficient and best compatibility. And okay, so the filter is also available in video recording, which is really good thing. And this is the wide angle video recording. Okay, up to not up to 4K, wide angle video recording up to full HD. Okay, and here we get some mode: ultra, 48 megapixel, nightscape, pano, expert, time lapse, slow mo, and ultra macro. Okay, so now quickly take a photo in ultra 48 megapixel and check its camera quality. Here you can see the shortcut feature is also available, which is really good thing. Okay, take another photo. Guys, I would like to say the camera quality is good. The camera quality is really good, I would like to say. Here you can see, if we zoom in, we lose some details, but the camera quality is good. And if we talk about the color rendering, you can see it render natural color. It captures natural color. No exposure effect will shown. Here you can see. Okay, so now take guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. Here you can see camera quality is really good, I would like to say. It comes with really a camera powerhouse. In 48 megapixel, if we zoom in, we lose some details, minor details, but here we didn't lose details. Here you can see, if we zoom in, we didn't lose the details, and it captures natural photo, I would like to say, without any exposure. Okay, so now I'll quickly record a video in 4K and see its video recording. It comes with electronic image stabilization, which is a really good thing. Now I'm going to checking it EIS, how's its performance. Recording. It comes with electronic image stabilization, which is really good thing. Now I'm going to checking it EIS, how's its performance. Guys, 4K video recording is really good, I would like to say. It is really good. And if we talk about the ultra wide camera, let's take a photo in ultra wide mode. Oh wait, this is ultra wide recording. Okay, so go there and go to ultra wide mode. Okay guys, I would like to say the camera quality is good, really good. I would like to say the camera quality is really good. You can see the camera quality is really good. Okay, now quickly check its security performance. If we talk about its fingerprint, I tap and it unlock. I tap and it unlock. Try again, I tap. Try another way. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor is really very fast and responsive, I would like to say. It is really very fast and responsive. You can see, I tap and it unlock. It recognizes really very fast, you can see. It is really very fast and responsive. The fingerprint sensor is really very fast and responsive, you can see. I tap and it unlock. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay, I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Do it again, I see and it unlock. Guys, I would like to say the face unlock and fingerprint performance both are really very fast and responsive of this one. Here you can see, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. It comes with the camera powerhouse and good security experience. This is a better security experience, I would like to say. Both fingerprint performance and face unlock are really very fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Realme 5S smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.